Chris Jenkins Vehicle Specialist, your South Wales auto body solution. Are dents and scratches bringing down the appearance of your car? Look no further than Chris Jenkins Vehicle Specialist in Cardiff. We have the expertise to transform imperfections into flawless finishes. Our top-notch dent removal and professional spray painting services will leave you amazed. Just ask our customers who have given us 5-star reviews on Google. We're eco-friendly and cost-conscious. Our advanced repair techniques minimize the need for replacement panels, which not only reduces waste but also keeps costs down. It's a win-win situation for your car, your wallet, and the environment. Say goodbye to dents with our specialist dent repair system. Our precision removal techniques restore your car's sleek lines. We also employ advanced techniques for cost-effective repairs, helping to boost your car's value and your pride. Get inspired and get in touch with us. Check out our incredible before and after transformations on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook for more details and inspiration. Visit our website chrisjenkinsvehiclespecialist.co.uk. Ready to make your car shine again in South Wales? Contact us today at 0796 897 8939 for a free quote.